right, children? Okay. We have finished our portion now. Right? Yes. And you have got your monthly test also in a couple of days. So let's begin the revision. Well, I'm beginning with chapter number 12. Areas related to circles. Okay. And this is part 1. What we are going to learn? Formula formation. How to frame the formula. Alright? Whatever word problem is given, whatever diagram is given. Alright? Normally, you are asked to find the area of shaded region. Alright? Children, I'm telling you one thing. Be careful. Because in 99% cases, find the area of shaded region. So, in the board examination, if the question is, find the area of unshaded region, you will miss out. आप ध्यान से पढ़ना question. Read the question very carefully. Whether it is shaded or unshaded. So whenever you are attempting the question of chapter number 12, areas related to circles, please keep this in mind. Is it shaded region or unshaded region whose area you have to find? Make sure. नहीं तो yes, shaded region. પેલો અધકચરો question વાંચે અને પછી shaded region. You will find the area of shaded region and you are quite happy because you have done it perfectly. You got your answer. Well, no calculation mistake. But then, after coming out of the examination hall, you discover suddenly with discussion with others, it was the area of unshaded region which you were supposed to find. And that time, your condition is pitiable. So be careful. Okay. So let's see. Well, if you want to find the formula, or if you want to form the formula for the shaded region, you need certain basic formula. All right. The first one is area of square. Everyone knows it. Area of square. What is area of square? L square. Length into length. Okay. So first basic formula we'll see. Basic formula. First, square. Alright. I'll draw the diagram as well. This is square. Because all four sides are equal and each is L units. So what is area of this square equal to L square? Correct? Okay. This is first one. Okay. Second one, circle. Everyone knows it. Circle. Yes, this is the radius. So area is equal to pi r square. Alright. Third, semicircle. This is diameter and you are supposed to find area of this region. Just the semicircle. Area of semicircle. Yeah, that you can derive actually. That you can frame yourself. पूरा सर्कल का कितना है? pi r square. और उसका आधा. So वो actually formula formation में आएगा. Basic नहीं है. Basic तो circle है. And area of semicircle is half the area of circle. So that is half of pi r square. Clear? Understood? Remember this? In fact, you know it very well. Correct? आगे देखते हैं. Next, very important. The next two are very important. One is equilateral triangle. Number 4. Area of equilateral triangle. Do you know what is equilateral triangle?
Yes.
Yes. What is that? No. I'm not asking about the area. All sides are equal. So this sign, this symbol shows all three sides of triangle are equal, and that is equilateral triangle. Yes. Now you tell me area is equal to. Yes. Very good. Root 3 by 4. Side square. Side जो भी होगा, L होगा, R होगा, X होगा, whatever. Alright, so root 3 by 4 sine square. That is area of equilateral triangle. And next, very important for us, okay, for this chapter, that is sector of a circle. Sector of a circle. एक circle का sector. So I'll draw a circle, its center and the two radii and corresponding arc. This is sector. Now, with respect to sector, this is radius. This is radius. Let's say this is center O and this is arc A. This angle is theta and this length of the arc is L. Actually, there are two formula for area of sector. Alright? Area of sector is equal to below pi r square theta upon 360. Or area is equal to half LR, where L length of the arc is involved. Here theta is involved. In the first formula, angle subtended by minor arc at the center. That is involved. Is that clear? Understood? So area of sector. वो भी कौन सा sector? सिर्फ minor sector की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. We are talking about minor sector, where this theta is greater than 0 degree and less than 180 degree. Alright? Is that clear? So here we have two formula. Please learn by heart this. આ formula હજુ પણ નથી આવડતી તમને. You don't know. Okay? So what is area of sector? Pi r square theta upon 360. And what is area of same sector in terms of length of the arc? Okay. And what is this arc? You know length of the arc formula? Pi r theta upon 180. There's no r square. There's no r square. Pi r theta upon 180. That is length of the arc. That is length of the arc. Is that clear? अरे बाबा इसकी फॉर्मूला यहाँ से ही मिलती है. देखो what is area? Pi r square theta upon. सर क्या कर रहे हैं देखो r by 2 into pi r theta upon 180. See this pi r into r square theta है ना न्यूमरेटर में. 182 जा 360 है ना. Now what is this? Length. So r by 2 into L, you can write half L into R. That is area. Same formula. उसी में से तो आया. But where you should know the length of the arc, minor arc, is pi r theta upon 180. Whereas area of sector is pi r square theta upon 360. Is that clear? Alright. Now we'll see formula formation. Okay. The next very important segment. Segment of the circle. This is sector of the circle. Please keep this picture in your mind. Segment of the circle. Sorry, this is sector of the circle. Okay? It's a small piece from a circle. Of course, segment of circle भी वही होने वाला है. लेकिन here, two radii and one arc is involved. In segment of the circle, arc and corresponding chord is involved. Okay? So दोनों पिक्चर को डायग्राम को दिमाग में रखना. When we are talking about sector, we are talking about this figure, and its formula is easy to derive. Its formula is easy to derive. Derive भी कर सकते हो और याद रखना भी easy. Easy one formula. Pi r square theta upon 360. But to find the area of segment, कुछ और दिमाग दौड़ाना पड़ेगा. Let's see. So we are done with basic formula required here. Now, formula derivation and first segment of circle. Segment of, and let me talk about minor segment. Minor segment of circle. Alright. Here is the figure. This is circle, center, and here is one chord. This is segment of the circle. All right. Center is O, and this is RAB, or AB union RAB gives me minor segment. ये है minor segment of circle. Minor segment of circle. Is that clear? Okay. Understood? Acha. How to find this area? For that, I have to draw the two radii. One from A and other from B. So what is this? Minor sector. Minor sector. From, I'll first find area of minor sector, which will give me the red boundary portion. That whole one. उसमें से क्या कट कर दो? हाँ, ये plain space जो है, area of triangle. If I cut that, I'll get the area of segment. So here you are. Area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. अच्छा, अब ये जो ट्राइंगल है ना, यहाँ थीटा है ना, so when theta is 60 and when theta is 120, its formula remains the same. Area is √3 by 4 r square. But when theta is 90 degree, the area formula for triangle is half r square. Half r square. याद रखना. Remember this. I'm going to show you how it happens. Okay? चलिए, ये मैंने साइड पे ट्राइंगल क्या ले लिया? OAB. I've taken triangle OAB. ये क्या है? Radius. This is radius. You understand? OA and OB are radius. Are you getting me? और ये theta क्या है? 60. All right. Now these two sides are equal, so it is isosceles triangle. So angles opposite to them are also equal. OB के सामने angle A, OA के सामने angle B. Let me call it XX because they are equal. So x plus 60. X plus x plus 60 is equal to 180. Total measure in a triangle is 180. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 60, 120. So x is equal to 120 divided by 2, and therefore x is equal to, oh children, this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. All angles are equal, so it is equiangular triangle. And equiangular triangle is also equilateral triangle. So the formula is area. What is equilateral triangle? √3 by 4 side square. So √3 by 4 by each side is r. Sab r ही है ना, radius. So r square. So that's the formula. When it is 120, उस समय भी यही formula है. When the angle is 120, it's the same formula, √3 by 4 r square. Would you like to see that as well? Yes. Okay, fine. Yeah, and let me tell you one thing. This theta will be either of these three. इसके अलावा और कोई theta की वैल्यू नहीं होगी. आप then की स्टडी करिए. All right, theta will be either 60 degree, 120 degree, or 90 degree. So only for these three angles we'll have to remember the area of this triangle. आसान है. 60 का तो याद ही है कि इक्विलेटरल हो जाएगा. So that is √3 by 4 side square, but the side is r here, so r square. और 120 के लिए सेम है. और 90 के लिए हाफ r square. तीनों को देखते हैं. Now first we have already seen. देखो now, this is 120 degree है ना? This is OAB. I picked up this triangle and placed it here. These two are radial. All right. Now, what is the formula to find area? Here we got equilateral triangle. It's clear, √3 by 4 side square. The formula that we have for equilateral triangle. We use that. But now this is not equilateral triangle. ये कितना है? 120. So 180 में से 120 माइनस करो, 60 का आधा, क्योंकि ये तो ऑपोजिट साइड है, तो ऑपोजिट साइड इक्वल है तो ऑपोजिट एंगल इक्वल होने. So x, so this will be 30 degree and this also would be 30 degree. So it's not equilateral triangle. Yes. क्या किया जाए? I'm going to draw altitude from O. Let's say OM is altitude. Now remember, ये तो ये figure है. So if you drop altitude, it is on the chord. So it bisects the chord. So into two equal parts. ये two equal parts हो गए ना? So if I say AM is X, then MB is also X. अब एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ढूंढना है तो हमारे ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूला एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल बोलो कौन सा फॉर्मूला हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू अल्टीट्यूड. कोई बोला पाइथागोरस. कौन बोला पाइथागोरस? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल में कहा पाइथागोरस आता है? ओके, वो शायद आगे सोच रहा है. हाफ इनटू बेस इनटू बोलो हाफ इनटू बेस क्या है AB और अल्टीट्यूड क्या है OM. So that is half into x plus x और OM तो पता ही नहीं है, अभी OM ही लिखूंगा. Alright, so okay, I'll keep this like this only right now. So let's find out. Children, देखो ना. This is right angle. This is 30 degree. ये भी एक बेसिक में आता है, वो मुझे लिखना चाहिए था. In a right angle triangle, please, that boy stop talking. Last bench, I heard your voice. चलो, this is right angle triangle AMO. Right angle triangle मतलब right angle तो है, उसके अलावा 30 डिग्री है. 30 डिग्री के सामने की साइड OM is half of hypotenuse. ये ध्यान में रखना. OM is half of hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is what? So OM is equal to R by 2. So this is R by 2. ये R है, ये R by 2 है, और ये X है. So use Pythagoras now. Pythagoras, which is hypotenuse OM. So OA square. So you can say R square is equal to OM square. That is R square by 4 plus X square. चलिए सगा संबंधी भेगा करो. That is equal to X square. Yes. So LCM is 4. LCM is 4. 4R square minus 1R square. ये आप कर लीजिए. X square. So X square is equal to 3R square by 4. Taking square root. So X is equal to root 3. R निकल जाएगा बाहर और 4 भी निकल जाएगा. Root 3 by 4. Now let's put the value half into AB. AB is what? X plus X 2X. OM is what? R by 2. This is 2X. चलिए 2 cancel. What is the value of X? Root 3 by 2 R into R by 2. बोलिए मिल गया ना फॉर्मूला? Root 3 by 4 R square. That is same when the angle is 120. When theta, the angle subtended by arc at the center is 120, the formula remains the same. Root 3 by 4 R square. Same as the formula that we have for 60 degree. Alright? Okay. Now, for 90 degree, it's very easy. 90 degree का तो बहुत आसान है. For 90 degree, it is very, very easy. That theta is 90. There you go. 90. O, A, B. And of course, these two are radius. And it's a right angle triangle. What is the area? Half into product of side 1 and side 2. These two sides which form right angle. Which form? Right angle. Okay. So half into. Which side is forming right angle? OA. The other side forming right angle? OB. So that is half into. What is OA? Radius. What is OB? Radius. So that is equal to half R square. Alright, I rubbed out. This is root 3 by 4 R square. And here, I have to write. Area is root 3 by 4 R square. When theta is either 60 degree, 120 degree. When it is 90 degree, area is half R square. So remember, in which situation? When you have to find the area of segment. अब ये formula हम लिख देंगे. What is area of minor sector? Pi R square theta upon C. And if length of the arc is given, what you will write here? Half LR. Okay. but generally half LR formula is used in objective questions. Objective questions માં જેનો use mostly થતો છે. Okay, fine. Now minus, अभी यहाँ दो में से कोई भी एक फॉर्मूला आप यूज कर सकते हैं. If theta is 60 or it will be root 3 by 4 radius square. And if it is, if this is 60 degree or 120 degree, or otherwise it will be half r square if theta is 90 degree. If theta is 90. Is that clear? So ये second part आपको use करना है अच्छी तरह, depending upon the theta angle subtended at the center. Is that clear? समझ में आया? Sure. Now what you will do when you have to find area of major segment. Now this lined portion is minor segment, shaded portion is minor segment. और major નું શોધવું હોય તો area of whole circle minus area of, that's it. First you find out the area of minor segment, okay, using this trick, all right, and then area of major segment if r is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Same way, if you have to find area of major sector, then area of minor sector, sorry, area of circle minus area of, चलिए देख लेते हैं दोनों. So first was minor segment. Minor segment है ना? है ना? Minor segment यहाँ तो area of sector minus area of triangle. So वो थोड़ा कठिन सा फॉर्मूला बनता है, right? That's why, not to get confused with sector and segment of circle, okay, I always say sector, sector easier, sector easier. मतलब जो सेक्टर है उसकी फॉर्मूला आसान वाली है, इजियर है, पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 360. और दूसरी वाली है जनरली आई सेड ऑब्जेक्टिव में यूज होती है, दैट इज हाफ एल. यू अंडरस्टैंड? और सेगमेंट, आप जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ, सेक्टर, वो ट्रिक, सेक्टर इजियर, सेगमेंट, सेगमेंट वो इजियर नहीं है, उसके साथ ट्रैक्टर नहीं बैठता है. सेक्टर इजियर, सेक्टर इजियर, ट्रैक्टर तो है ही नहीं. आर यू गेटिंग मी? यस. सो इस तरीके से आप याद रखना. I am writing both the formula here. Area of minor sector, okay, and area of minor segment. Very good. You are attending well. Here is the figure. Sector means 2 radii, union corresponding r. उसके 2 रेडियस होते हैं. एंगल सबटेंडेड एट द सेंटर होता है, L होता है, राइट? सो आई शेड दैट पार्ट. This red dotted part is sector. Sector. And now I'm talking about minor segment of a circle. O chord and corresponding R. O A B. Alright? And this is the segment, minor segment. We are talking about only the minor segment. Okay? All right? Yes, sir. Fine. Now what is sector? Easier. Area is pi r square theta upon or half L r. Segment, not easier. Area is area of sector. Yes, area of sector minus area of triangle. area of sector is pi r square theta upon minus either √3 by 4r square आएगा या तो फिर half r square आएगा depending upon theta. Alright, is that clear? अच्छा, नोट कर लीजिए यहीं पे, नोट एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर, ये मेजर सेक्टर विच इज अनशेडेड, दैट इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर. उसी तरह जो अनशेडेड पार्ट है, डॉट रेड डॉट के अलावा पार्ट है, दैट इज मेजर सेगमेंट. एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेगमेंट ऑफ सर्कल इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट ऑफ सर्कल. इज दैट क्लियर? फिर बना लीजिए, सिर्फ वैल्यू डाल लीजिए. एरिया ऑफ सर्कल यू नो पाई आर स्क्वायर, एंड ये तो पहले ढूंढ ही लीजिए using this. Okay, understood? Sure? Okay, we'll proceed further. आगे बढ़ते हैं. All right, children. So moving on to the next formula formation. That is, you know it. Area of region between two concentric circles. All right. Let me put second here. Area of region between two concentric circles. All right. Here is one circle. Yes. Blue one with radius r, small r, and there is whose center is O, of course. There is another circle with same center, but the radius is little bit larger, so I put capital R for it. All right, and we need to find the area of this ring, band, circular band, which is actually region between two concentric circles. This is my intention. I have to find the area of this region. Very simple, isn't it? क्या करोगे? Find out the area of outer circle, large circle, red circle. So you get complete region area. From there you cut the area of small circle. So only this part would be left. So area of band, I use that word. Area of circular band. That is what? Area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. All right. Outer, what is the area of circle? Pi r square. But for outer circle it is capital R, so I'll write pi capital R square minus area of inner circle also pi r square, but the inner circle has a radius small r, so it will be pi small r square. Well, if you want, you can take pi common. So in the bracket you will have r square minus r square. Take further factors. Bolo, pi into r plus r into r minus r. This is the formula to find area of region between two concentric circles. Pi into sum of the two radii into the difference of the two radii. Pi into plus, so sum of the two radii into difference of the two radii. So remember this formula. It will be very useful. No need to write all this area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. If you remember, it's well and good. Otherwise, it doesn't take much time to form this formula from here. All right? Understood? So that was number 2. We'll proceed further. Well, area of region between two concentric sectors. Between two concentric sectors. वो मैं ले लेता हूँ. Number 3. All right. In one of the sum, it is there. Okay. Here is one circle with center O. There is another circle again with center O, but again capital R and small r. Inner radius is small r, outer radius is capital R. Here, the two radii, बड़ा वाला भी है, अंदर छोटा वाला भी है. The small one is included in the large one. So you have OAB, minor sector OAB of circle with smaller radius, and OCD, minor sector of circle with larger radius. And this is what? This is what? Region between two concentric sectors, you can say. The region between two concentric sectors. Sometimes the sum may be asked, yeah, this red color is representing circular park, and there is a road, circular road surrounding the park, and only this part of the road is to be repaired at a given rate. So you will have to find the area of repairing. What part of the road has to be repaired? What area of road has to be repaired? Then after cross multiplication you can find out the cost of repairing the road. But for that, how to find area? Once again, very simple. Follow. Area of outer minor sector minus area of inner minor sector. For both the sectors, the angle is theta. Theta चाहिए ना? Formula में लगती है. ये L, but that generally half LR formula is not used. Okay? एक ही formula आपने use कर लिया. Area of region between, let me put in short, concentric sectors is equal to area of sector with radius capital R minus area of sector, I don't like. Area of sector with radius small r. Is that okay? Well, what is the formula to find area of sector? Pi r square theta upon 360. So you can say pi capital R square theta upon 360 minus area of sector with smaller radius, pi small r square theta. There is no theta 1 or theta 2 of large theta and small theta. It's one and the same, common for both, upon 360. What you can do? Pi theta upon 360 can be taken common, and you have r square minus r square. So again, pi into theta upon 360 into r plus r into r minus r. This is the formula to find area of region between two concentric sectors. ये कैसे बना हुआ आपको ध्यान रखना है. Are you getting me? After using this formula and getting the area of this part, you can find also the cost of repairing the road. Is that clear? Understood? Sure? That was number 3. Okay. Moving ahead with next one. Number 4. Fine. Now area of shaded region. It depends upon the diagram what is the shaded region, right? आपको सिर्फ area of shaded region ढूंढना है. So here is a circle, and in that there is a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means what? How many sides hexagon has? 6. And regular hexagon means all 6 sides are equal. And this part, it's shaded. And you are supposed to find the area of shaded region. You might find little bit small and large because, yes, the diagram is not that perfect. But imagine this all 6 parts shaded that you see are of equal area. If you think of only this shaded part, what is that? Minor segment of circle. minor segment of circle. How many minor segments are there? 6. So you can say required area, area of shaded region is 6 times the area of segment. 6 times the area of segment. All right. Required area is 6 times area of minor segment. Segment formula is difficult. How do you find area of segment? Sector minus triangle. Correct? That is equal to 6 times area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector, this. This is sector, whole. उसमें से क्या माइनस कर देंगे? Area of this triangle. So area of sector minus area of triangle. That is 6 times area of sector pi r square. Yes, of course, I'll have to call this as theta. Pi r square theta upon minus. Here, area of triangle depends on theta. If theta is 60 degree or 120 degree, then area is equal to root 3 by 4 r square. क्योंकि ये radius होने वाला है. Each side is going to be the radius of the circle. All right. Or if theta is equal to 90 degree, then the area is half r square. I've discussed that earlier in this video itself. So either root 3 by 4 r square or इसकी formula depends upon theta या half r square होगा. Either put this or this. It depends upon. बस उसके बाद आपको ये मिल जाए. There is one more way. This is what we call method 1. Let me say method 1. Now method 2. That area of shaded region is what? Area of circle minus area of, and this is going to be area of hexagon. Or hexagon is divided into how many equal triangles or congruent triangles? Congruent triangles. And they are equilateral. क्यों? यहां से यहां total measure कितना है? 360. It's divided into how many equal parts? 6. So divide by 6. So each degree theta is 60. Now this side are equal radii. So opposite angles are equal. So if I call this is x and this is x, 60 plus x is 180. So 2x will be 120. So x will be 60. So equiangular triangle होगा. So equilateral. So equilateral triangle होगा तो क्या हुआ? Root 3 by 4 r square, side square, but the side is r. Are you getting me? So method 2. Required area is area of circle minus area of hexagon. Area of circle बोलिए formula. Pi, yes, we'll call this small r only. Pi r square minus, yes, hexagon की कोई formula नहीं है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times area of triangle. 6 times area of triangle. And each triangle is equilateral triangle. So pi r square minus 6 times follow root 3 by 4 r square. फिर आप common निकाल सकते हैं. Then whatever you want to do you can. So this is another way of finding the area of shaded region. I hope that is clear. Understood? Sure. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. That is also quite easy. Number 5. Of course, area of shaded region ही रहेगा. Let's see in the figure what is the shaded region and how can we form the formula to find that area. Number 5. Area of shaded region once again. And what's the figure? Look, it's a square. And that there are one. Children, the circle may appear small or big, but they are all of same radii. Please consider them. They are not small or big. They are of equal radii. And you have to find the area of region between the circles in this square. Right? These are the centers of the circle. It is very easy. What is the area of shaded region? Area of square minus 4 times the area of circle. So that is very simple. Required area is area of square minus 4 times minus 4 times area of circle. Formula भी easy है. बोलो इसका length. So L square minus 4 times. बोलो area of circle. ये उसका radius होता है. Pi r square. So that's the formula to find required area. But in the sum, either diameter or radius would be given and there won't be length. Or length would be given and there won't be radius. Out of the two things, only one thing is given. So you will have to detect, you will have to find the relationship between length and radius in this figure. बोलो यहाँ से यहाँ क्या है? Radius. यहाँ से यहाँ अरे radius, कोई radius. यहाँ से यहाँ radius और यहाँ से यहाँ radius plus radius plus radius plus radius. That is the total length. वो length ही है. Are you getting me? So in this figure, length is equal to 4 times radius. Or you can say 2 times diameter. जो भी कहना हो कह सकते हो. Radius plus radius plus radius plus radius. दो सर्कल है तो दो डायमीटर का टोटल करेंगे तो that gives you the length. What do you want? 4r or 2d? 4r. डबल होगा. Are you getting me? सो रही है बच्ची. Okay. So ये रिलेशनशिप इसमें बहुत ही अच्छी तरह आपको ध्यान में रखना होगा. In this figure. बोलो यदि 3 और 3 9 हुए तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 हुए तो 6 नहीं 9 होना चाहिए तभी स्क्वायर में बनेगा. सो 3 into 3 9 हुआ तो बोलो लेंथ विल बी इक्वल टू 6r 3 times diameter so 6 times radius. एक्सरसाइज में एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है where 9 circles are given. Okay, all right, understood. Next, last one we are going to see in this session. Very important, very important. Okay, and it will be very useful to you. Number 6, area of shaded region. Number 6, area of shaded region. Once again, you have a square. How many sides a square has? 4. On each side, let's draw semicircle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Correct? And this part is shaded. This part is shaded. Alright? Now, this is not the normal ones that we saw up till now. Because this is not a particular shape. ये particular shape नहीं है. Please switch off your fans. Dozing the second last bench boy also. सो रहा है literally. नींद आती है, ध्यान नहीं है यहाँ. Okay? How will you find? क्योंकि जो शेडेड रीजन है वो कोई शेप प्रॉपर शेप नहीं है. हाँ, we have a square, but that unshaded region again it's not a proper geometrical shape where we can calculate the formula. क्या करेंगे? what to do? There is one square, correct? And 4 semicircles. One square and 4 semicircles. Yes. It will be a little bit terrible method that I'm going to show you. You might wonder how that happens. But for the formula formation, I'm going to do it and see what I'm doing. Something terrible. बोलिए, I'm drawing the diagonals. ठीक है? Diagonal draw किया. And I'm dividing that. मतलब into 2 parts. Let's say this is part 1. This is part. This is part. This is part. This is part. 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 And part. So the shaded region, which initially had 4 parts, is now divided into 8 parts. And we have unshaded region as well. I'll call it part 9, part 10, part 11, and part 12. Okay? Now please look at this. Area of semicircle 1. Area of semicircle 1 plus area of semicircle 2 plus area of semicircle 3 plus area of semicircle 4. Let's add the area of 4 semicircles and see what we are getting. That is horrible thing I'm doing, terrible thing I'm doing. Sir, ऐसे कैसे करेंगे? भाई 4 semicircle है. I'm just going to add the area of those 4 semicircles. All right? बोलो, semicircle 1 half. एक मिनट, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Length is equal to diameter in this case, and that is equal to 2r. Length of the square is actually diameter of that semicircle. Diameter of that semicircle. So length is equal to, and that is equal to 2r. Is that clear? लेकिन वो एक relationship है between the length and the radius. But I am going to write in terms of parts. बोलो, part 1 plus part 2 plus part 3 plus part 4 plus part 9. That is what I am going to write for this. Part 1 plus part 2 plus part 3 plus part 4 plus part 9. Second semicircle. Part 3 plus part 4 plus part 5 plus part 6 plus part 10. 5 parts हटा उसके. So part 3 plus part 4 plus part 5 plus part 6 plus part 10. Similarly now third semicircle. Part 5 plus part 6 plus part 7 plus part 8 plus part 11 plus fourth one. Part 7 plus part 8 plus part 9 plus part 12. Part 7, 8, 1. Yes. It will be part 1 plus part 2 and plus part 12. Area of 4 semicircles is equal. Now, all these semicircles are congruent because their diameters are sides of square. So, this can be written as 4 times area of semicircle. Area of semicircle plus area of semicircle plus area of semicircle plus area of semicircle is 4 times area of semicircle because all semicircles are congruent. Are you getting me? अच्छा, अब देखो what I am doing. क्या खेल खेल रहा हूं मैं. I start with part 1 plus part 2 plus part 9 plus part 3 plus part 4 plus part 10 plus part 5 plus part 6 plus part 11 plus part 7 plus part 8 plus part 12. हो गया? पार्ट 1 से शुरू किया था ना, तो ऑल 12 पार्ट्स का सम दैट इज एरिया ऑफ. अरे सारे 12 पार्ट को जोड़ दूंगा तो स्क्वायर मिलेगा कि नहीं? सो ऑन राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू, आई एम राइटिंग दैट एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर है ना. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर मिला कि नहीं? ये सर्कल पार्ट का टोटल all 12 parts का total area, that is area of square. Part 1 ये है, part 2 ये है, part 3 ये है, 4 ये है, 9 ये है, 10. Can you all follow? अब remaining part देखो. Part 1 plus part 2, part 3 plus part 4, part 5 plus part 6, and part 7 plus part 8. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is area of shaded part. वही तो shaded part है. So now I am going to write plus area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. But I want to find area of shaded region, so I am going to make it subject of the formula. From right side I am going to take area of square on left side. So therefore 4 times area of semi circle minus area of, that is equal to area of shaded region. Area of shaded, I'm going to write it here, IE, area of shaded region. Alright, for this figure is 4 times. A figure is formed by 4 semicircles. That will help us to remember this formula. 4 times area of semicircle minus square area of square. Are you getting me? 4 times. बोलो semicircle, circle का पाया स्क्वायर और semicircle का हाफ. ये फॉर्मूला बन गई. और स्क्वायर का तो L स्क्वायर. बस ये रही आपकी फॉर्मूला एरिया. Are you getting me? फिर आप cancellation and that we can do later. But there is one relationship between length of the square and the radius. बोलो length is how much? Double of radius. Your length is equal to diameter. So 2r. Is that clear? समझ में आई बात? Sure. So आप सीधी फॉर्मूला याद रखो इसके लिए. Area of shaded region. Now this shaded region is formed by 4 semicircles and 1 square. So what is area of shaded region? How do we get it? We have seen it. So area 4 times area of semicircle minus area of square. See the formula now. And what is the relationship? Length is equal to 2r. If radius is 4 centimeter, you can say length is 2 cosine. If length is 10 centimeter, radius is 2 into what will be 10? 5. This relationship will give you radius when length is given, or length when radius is given, or diameter is given. Is that clear? I hope you understood. So straight away you can use this formula. And then remember this relationship. Achha. One thing I want you to note here is area of shaded region. But in the question they ask you what is the area of unshaded region. And in a hurry, आप तो सब shaded शब्द देखकर आते हैं, फिर उसमें unshaded का पूछा गया. So first you will find area of shaded, and then you have to go for the calculation of area of unshaded. And what will be area of unshaded region? Area of square minus area of shaded region. Simple. That is simple. Area of square. But before that, you will have to find the area of shaded using this formula. Okay? I hope you have understood how this formula was formed. કેવી રીતે બનાવી હતી? All right? So for this particular figure, remember, area of shaded region is 4 times the area of minus area of square. Is that clear? Okay. So that's all that we have in this session. We'll continue in part 2 with more of diagrams and formula formation. All right? And after that, we'll see the objective questions of this chapter. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.
Stay safe.